Hey guys, today I'm here to unbox Multipack, that is the Japanese car culture 2023 Multipack. So this has 6 cars and it is custom Datsun 240Z, Honda 2018 Civic Type R, 1970s Toyota Celica, Mazda RX-7, Subaru WRX-STi and 82 Nissan Skyline GTR R30. This one I bought because of Civic Type R. I really like that car and this is my most favorite generation of that Civic Type R. So it's a hatchback and we'll get into the unboxing. So here are the 6 cars. This is the Datsun Custom 240Z. This is the Honda Civic Type R from 2018. This is Toyota Celica. This is Mazda RX-7. And this is the Subaru WRX-STi hatchback. And this is the 82 Nissan Skyline GTR R30. We'll get into the details of each car in the close-up. So let's look at the first car, custom Datsun 240Z. So this is based on the Datsun 240Z with the Rocket Bunny white body. This is known as Fuguzi and is owned by Sung Kang, who played Han in the Fast and Furious series. It's a black car with few grey and the Datsun logo on the side. There is Nitto branding and a Bilstein and race. The tires are really good. Let's look at the downside. Custom Datsun 240Z 2018 metal, made in Malaysia. We can see the rear. It has a Hot Wheels logo and the spoiler. You can see wheel arches is very wide for this car. It is a left-hand drive car. Yeah, that is the first one. So the next car is the 2018 Civic Type R. Here it is. It's a hatchback. This is from the FK8 generation that was made from 2018 to 2021. I really like this generation's Civic Type R. It has 18 numbering and Honda Racing logos there. And at the rear it is completely white. From the top also you can see the red roof and Honda logo. And on the bonnet we see again Honda Racing, genuine accessories. And a small Type R is written on the front grille. Honda logo is signature red only for Type R. All the other Civic will have a white logo with a black background, but only the Type R has this red logo. The wheels are slightly different from the previous car. We'll read the downside. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Copyright 2018 metal. This is also a plastic bag car. So that is the second car done. So the next one is 1970s Toyota Celica. So this is based on the first generation Toyota Celica GT Coupe. So GT is the flagship model of the Celica range. It had two engine options. One was 1.6 liter 2TG engine or 2 liter 18RG engine. This also has some wide body and it is a right hand drive car as typical for a JDM car. And the 1970 model was only sold in Japan, and you can also see a small lip spoiler. It gives some character, and there is Hot Wheels logo and Yokohama tires logo there with number 70. The contrast of white and orange is really good for this car. This is from the top. Let's also look at the bottom. So this is chrome plastic back, made in Malaysia, 1970 Toyota Celica 2012 metal. The overall body shape is really good. So that is the third car. So the fourth car is the Mazda RX-7. So this is from 1980. RX-7 is made from 1978 and it has 3 generations. The wide body kit is inspired by IMSA Grand Touring Under. This has a metal flake gold color and again it's a right hand drive car. It really suits for this car and you can see a huge wing there. RX range is having rotary engines and this is a successor to Mazda RX-3, which is also a coupe. The wheels are similar to the first car, I think, but the color is really good and the contrast with black and red. This is from the top and a single Mazda writing on the side. The front is also very prominent and it has pop-up headlights. The front splitter is huge. Let's look at the downside of the car. 2011 copyright metal Mazda RX-7 Hot Wheels. It's also a plastic back car. So that is the fourth car done. So the next car is the Subaru WRX-STi from 2011. So STI stands for Subaru Technica International. That is a racing rally division of Subaru. This was the final WRX model to be featured in World Rally Championship since Subaru discontinued its WRC run from 2008. The wheels are white in color and it's pretty unique. I also really like the casting. It has a number 12 on the side and a Hot Wheels logo on the side. There's not many other logos other than STI, and you can also see STI written on the hood. You can also see a good air dam there. This is a very good casting. Let's look at the downside. 2011 metal copyright Subaru WRX-STi. It's also a plastic car. The pillars are almost translucent, which it makes it a single flowing glass. It's a really good car. So that is the fifth car done, and let's get into the last and final car. This is the 1982 Nissan Skyline GTR R30. So R30 is pretty legendary iconic car. This was the predecessor to the Skyline R32. The casting is really good and it has some sharpness. The iconic dual taillights from the back and a Hot Wheels logo. And the tires are really good with the gold color. From the top, you can see the hood is really long. It's a two-door car. You can see 4-valve DOHC RS turbo written on the side. That is the only logo there. It's also a right-hand drive. Let's look at the downside of the car. 82 Nissan Skyline R30, 2017 copyright metal, made in Malaysia. Tell me in the comments which one of these 6 cars you liked most. So that's the 6 cars done. So that's it for the video. I hope you really like this 6 car pack. And tell me in the comments which one is your favorite from this 6. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.